In the heart of the 1920s, the world was abuzz with prosperity and hope. The Roaring Twenties, as they were called, were a time of great economic growth and progress. Yet, beneath the glamour and glitz, a storm was brewing. The year was 1929, and the stock market, a symbol of American capitalism, stood atop a precipice. Unchecked speculation had driven stock prices to dizzying heights, creating an illusion of endless wealth. But like a house of cards, this fantastical economy was built on shaky foundations. On a fateful Thursday in October, the House of Morgan, a powerful banking firm, failed to stem the tide of selling stocks. The dominoes began to fall. Panic ensued as the New York Stock Exchange saw its largest single-day decline in history. The Great Crash, as it came to be known, sent shockwaves across the globe. Banks crumbled under the weight of failed investments, and businesses closed their doors forever. Unemployment skyrocketed, reaching a staggering 25%, as the once booming U.S. economy plunged into a decade-long depression. President Herbert Hoover, a man of solid character but poor economic acumen, was initially slow to react. His reluctance to intervene in the economy further exacerbated the crisis, as people lost faith in the government's ability to help them. It wasn't until Franklin D. Roosevelt took office in 1933 that significant action was taken to address the crisis. The New Deal, a series of programs and policies, aimed to provide relief, recovery, and reform. Through initiatives like the Civilian Conservation Corps, the Works Progress Administration, and the Social Security Act, millions of Americans received aid, and the foundations of a safety net were laid. The Great Depression was a dark chapter in American history, a tale of economic ruin and human suffering. But it also marked a turning point in the nation's approach to government intervention in the economy. The lessons learned during this period would shape the course of American policy for decades to come. The Great Depression serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of our economic systems and the consequences of unchecked capitalism. It stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of collective action in times of crisis. And so, as we look back on this tumultuous period, we are reminded of the importance of prudence, foresight, and a willingness to learn from history. For, as the great philosopher George Santayana once said, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it.